Right, I'm going to cook this. And now I haven't used this before, but I'm going to give it a try now. So if it blows up, it's going to go on camera, okay? What it is a roast chicken breast dinner, okay? And it's one of these healthy ones, I think. Only 304 calories. But it says in here that I've got to pierce the, where's the knife? Okay, and then stick it in the oven. Now I haven't turned it on because to show you how I'm doing this. This, as you can see, is the lead, which comes from this corner, which is not very good, and it goes all the way. There's my socket point for the, but it won't fit in there. Really push it up there. So what I've done is I always be prepared. I knew that this would happen. So stick it in the oven for 35 minutes. I don't think this is gas assisted. But what I've done is I bought one of these. What this is a 3-socket and 4 USB car charger adapter splitter. Now I'm hoping nothing blows up. So you can see USB points, and then you've got your car charger points. Well, this one will go in the socket at the top, and then that one will go in here. Okay, like that. So, I wasn't a Boy Scout, I was a brownie. I don't know what that equivalent is in America. But anyway, let's give it a go. What we'll do is we'll put it up here for safety. Okay, I'll stick it in there, and ding, this is 13.4. Now unfortunately I can't make myself a cup of tea while I'm doing this, I just have to wait for this to go. Now I don't normally like these ready meals because I like making my own stuff, and I will do in the morning with bacon and eggs. Anyway, this is a roast chicken breast in a rich gravy with herb, roast potatoes, carrots and cabbage. So I'm going to have a nice night tonight, aren't I? Oven, preheat oven. Do not put tray in the oven. Oh. Decant into an oven-proof oven-rolled dish in a similar size. Do I have to stick it in? No, I'll have to wash that up. Oh, I know what I've got. See, yay! I'm not prepared again. Bacon foil, and it does say non-stick. Yay! Okay. I'm not such a pretty face. I'm going to put this. So, it says pierce film. I'll pierce the film now. Do not put tray in the oven. Decant product into an ovenable, is that a word? Dish of a similar size. Well, I can't. So maybe it'll do less time. Place on a baking tray. Well, it's on the baking tray and it's in the baking tray. I always say, don't ever take what they say as, you know, the only thing that you can do. So it hasn't even come out of the dish, so it can't be that healthy, can it? Come on. I'm not really looking forward to this, but it's something to eat. That does for 30 minutes. How can that do that? I'm not that prepared. You know what I haven't got? Oven mitts. 35 minutes at 200. Why can't things be easy? Right. Is it only going one way? That one. And then... oh, it only goes up to 150. That one. a timer that's, we'll see. Is it on? Doesn't look on, does it? I don't know if it's on, but I've put it on. So that's off and that's on 150, and then I put it on that one, so it means top and bottom, and then I put it on 15 minutes and that means it's on. So is it on? Oh, it is warm. It's warm up there. Is it warm down there? Yay, you can see it now. That's all it needs is a light. Looks alright, yeah. And then I've got that up there, which is feed into that. There. We'll see what happens, and if it doesn't work, we'll just have to spin it and start again and get a little microwave. I hate microwaves. This is what I've ended up doing, because the cooker didn't work, and it was spinning there for an hour, and it was still just cold. So I've obviously either got a duff cooker or I've put the settings wrong, but you can't really go wrong with those controls. So I'm having that's a basically bubble and squeak. Anyway, that's what I'm going to have tonight. Fried food. Chicken, carrot, cabbage, potato, and there's gravy in there. And I put coconut, some coriander and some cumin, and also some linseeds as well.